Finding quality circuit design software that's both powerful and free can be challenging. TinyCAD is a powerful, completely free tool that lets you create electronic schematics just like the professionals do. Today, I'll show you exactly how to download and install it on your Windows computer in just a few minutes. Let's begin by opening your preferred browser. In the search bar, type TinyCAD and press Enter. Click on the official TinyCAD website link, which should appear as the first search result. This will redirect you to the official TinyCAD website. To download this software, click on this green download button right here. You will be redirected to this SourceForge page, and then the TinyCAD installer will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Then, double-click on it to launch the installation wizard. The welcome screen will appear, so click Next to continue. Read the license agreement if you wish to do so, then click I agree. Select how to install TinyCAD, whether for you only or for all users who use this PC, and then click Next. Choose the installation location for TinyCAD. However, for me, the default location is fine, so I will click Install to begin the installation. During installation, the system may require Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable to be installed, so let this install itself. When the installation is complete, the TinyCAD shortcut icon will be added to your desktop. If you want to launch TinyCAD immediately, simply make sure this box is checked, then click Finish. If you need TinyCAD to be updated automatically, check this box and click OK. And there we go, you now have TinyCAD installed on your Windows computer. You can now start create professional circuit diagrams without any cost barriers. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success with your circuit design projects.